We welcome you here to experience the journey of technology innovation and career paths. Today we'll be visiting American Additive Manufacturing. We'll take a deep dive into 3D printing. Let's start with learning a bit about them. They have been in business for 7 years. They make durable 3D parts for people. They have a variety of materials to use. They are also eco-friendly and are advanced in technology. Let's have a chat with Jim Visnick, the president of American Additive, to learn more.
We need to have more highly engineered printers and materials that go along with that. So those present challenges. And we've invested in some new technology. We started out with filament-based printing, then moved into SLA, which is resin-based, and recently bought a powder-based printer.
Advanced technology is critical for them because all their technology is considered advanced. Now we'll learn more from Matthew White, the director of engineering.
So advanced technology is critical for us because first of all, our technology that we use is considered advanced technology. The printing itself is an advanced manufacturing technology. So we're always looking at the new 3D printers that are out, the new processes of printing. I mentioned to you resin and powder printing and filament printing. So there are always, every few years, there's a new advancement on those, or there's new technologies.
Next up is Duncan Shea, the 3D printing engineer.
Is it a good career path?
I think it is. I went to school for mechanical engineering. And I enjoy the design aspect, and I get to do a little bit of that here.
Do you find your job enjoyable, and what is your favorite part of your job?
Kind of said this previously, but just being able to do something different every day. Like every day there's a new challenge to work through.
Let us lean into why working with this type of technology could be a good manufacturing job. Let's hear from Ellis Waldman, the application engineer.
So an application engineer is sort of a unique role because it's sort of more customer focused. So I have a mechanical engineering background, and what I'm applying that to is solving the customer's problem.
So we can see 3D printing is a step into the future of technology innovation while also opening up new career paths. And it all starts with American Additive. I guess that's what's so cool about manufacturing.